Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make flint and steel in Minecraft. Flint and steel is probably one of the easiest things that you can create. First of all, you need flint. Flint can be found by breaking down gravel. Gravel can be found near stone in cave mines. The best utensil you can use for this is by using a shovel. This will break the gravel and they will give you flint. Next you need iron. Iron can be found through iron ores. If you break down iron ores, you can use it to burn it by using a furnace. You can burn the iron by using any sort of wood or anything else that can be useful. Find a crafting table, place it down, right click, take your iron ingots and your flint, and here you have flint and steel. Flint and steel can be used to set something on fire, or it can be used to open up a nether portal. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.